Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a week in the life. I'm going to bring you along with me for the next week or so, and just see what we get into. Today is Saturday, and we are going to my cousin's baby's first birthday. So that's what we're doing today. Her birthday party is today, and actually her birthday is today too. So yeah, but we're doing that today. I showed you what I got her in a previous vlog. I will, if I remember, link that in the cards. I think it's this side. But I still need to do a little bit of makeup. I look dead. But that's what happens with chronic illness. So yeah, and then I don't know what we're doing after that. I know I'm going over to my grandpa's, and I'm trying to figure out smartly how much I need to take over there, because it's we're supposed to get like a really bad snowstorm, but a few counties have already issued snow alerts or snow emergencies, and when they do that before it even starts snowing, it usually doesn't happen. So yeah. Either way, you're coming along with me for this week. Okay, so this is Saturday. We went to like I said, we were going to my cousin's baby's first birthday, so I got a few clips of that. I always like smash cake pictures for some reason, but yeah, and she did not like it at all, but I didn't either after looking back at some of my first birthday pictures, so yeah. And she got this cute little car, so yeah. Then this is Sunday. Me and my grandpa had gone out to do something, and it was flurry when we left, and by the time we got back to the area closer to his house, this is what it looked like. And I was basing it off how much snow was on the windshield, because you can't really see the snow flurries. When I was filming it, you could, and there are a few places every now and then you can see them, but you can't see them as well as I thought you'd be able to. But yeah, I was kind of basing it off how thick the snowflakes on the windshield were. Because I stopped, and then when you turn down the road, you turn down before you turn down his road, this is what it looked like. And we weren't, I think we were going maybe 40 miles per hour. It seems faster, but we were going 40, and the speed limit is like 55 through here, so yeah, that tells you how bad it was sticking to the road. And then this is by 4 o'clock that afternoon. Still snowing. At that point, I think we had like, yeah, the most 5 inches, 4.5. So yeah, and it snowed all night. This is Monday morning. And it was still snowing. So after I showed you the snow, I did decide, you know what, I have got to do something. And we had peanut butter cookie dough left from Christmas. We had froze it, so I let it thaw overnight in the fridge, and I decided, you know what, I'm making peanut butter blossoms. We didn't make them this year. We made them earlier in December, but we didn't make them for Christmas because we just didn't have the time. So yeah, we're doing that now. So that's what I'm doing here, while having a conversation with my grandma and my grandpa, because that's what we do. And the baby was napping, so yeah.
what the cookies look like when they're done. Just regular peanut butter blossoms as you've seen me make. So, yep. And then I did leave this clip in here because I thought it was so cute. This is Nevaeh watching Miss Rachel. This is before we took her out to play in the snow. I just love how excited she gets over it. And she didn't know I was behind her, so it made it even better. Okay, so I had bundled her up, and we were going out to play in the snow. I thought the boys were going to go too. More or less, I took her out for, I don't think she was even out there, maybe 5 minutes. But we bundled her up, and she went out, and she wanted to play in the snow. She was so interested in what it was, she didn't stop looking at it. We never got a picture of her looking at the camera. That one, kind of, because she didn't really want to lay all the way down. But I was going to see if I could make a snow angel. And I kind of did, but not a great one. But I'm not going to force her to lay down. She doesn't want to. And I wanted to measure the snow one last time. And then I forgot that I shouldn't have put the ruler where I did, because that table drifts bad. So you can end up with, like, either it can be 10 inches of snow and it only shows 8, or you can have 8 inches of snow and it'll show 15. But more or less, I went out to get snow for the boys, because the boys don't like snow cream. I do. So I was making snow cream for me, and I made this big old butterball of it because the day before when I made it, Nevaeh was eating it with me. Not a whole lot, but I didn't think she'd like it, but she's teething really bad, so I think the cold from the snow really is helping her gums. So, yep. But if you've never had snow cream, it's snow, milk, vanilla, and sugar. It's really as simple as that. And I just taste it as I go to figure out how much more I need of everything, and then I show you at the end what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. You need a whole lot of snow for this. That's why I did it in a giant butterball. It doesn't make anywhere near that. And then this is Tuesday. I finally got a chance to pull her hair back. And she'd worn this outfit on New Year's Eve, but I hadn't got to see her in it yet, and we never got any pictures of it. So we put her in it again, and ended up taking her pictures. And now, give or take, I'm biased because she's my little stinky head, but she's the friggin' goat. And this is what her hair looked like Tuesday night when I took it out. We were playing on a playmat and I took it out. I just thought it was so cute what her hair did.
Hey guys, okay, so it is Wednesday. I am home if you can't tell. I had been snowed in at my grandpa's since it started snowing Sunday. And I got snowed in until today. So I am thrilled to be back home. Thrilled. Because the boys had 2 weeks of Christmas vacation, or winter break, or whatever you want to call it. And they are on day 3 of snow days. Tomorrow will be day 4. And I am so glad to be home where I do not have to deal with that. I feel bad for the baby because she's not going to get to nap as well as she usually does, but I'm not gonna go crazy and hurt anybody. Oh my god. Like, they're always crazy. But does anybody else notice that snow makes kids crazier? And they won't go out and play in it like normal kids. They want to play video games and ask me to go out and get them snow to eat. But they don't want to go out and play in it. When I was a kid and there was this much snow on the ground, we just could not wait to go out, and we wanted to. Hey guys, okay, so it's Thursday. Today is my brother's 26th birthday. So, like, if that's not scary. He's the youngest of us. He's the youngest brother. So, yup. But we're gonna go celebrate his birthday tonight. But before then, I've got some stuff to do around here. I need to do a little laundry. I need to clean my room. Because, yeah, it just hasn't happened yet because I haven't been home. Because of the snowstorm, and we're expecting more snow tomorrow, so we will see. I am currently checking my email and getting some stuff done on here or on my computer, and then we'll go from there. I honestly feel like I could go back to sleep. It's just one of those days. Like, eventually I'm gonna get back to normal, or like what we're used to doing. Like, typically I have a schedule, and we're not currently on that because of the snowstorm and everything. This weekend we were snowed in, so we didn't have anything else to do, and we were goofing around and started looking at party themes for Nevaeh's first birthday, because her birthday is in late April, but we're going to blink and it's going to be late April, and if we don't get stuff started now, we probably won't get it done. And I keep seeing, so we chose the Wild One theme with like safari animals. And I was going through looking at all this stuff going, this is going to be a fortune. Let's see how much we can actually save if we do a lot of it by ourselves. So, yeah. And I will do a party vlog or a birthday prep vlog that we can see some of the party prep, I think. Because I've always kind of loved that stuff, but I never actually got to do anything like that on here. So her first birthday is going to be an excuse for me to do that. Because give or take, the first birthday is for the people who take care of the kid, not the kid. So, yeah. You'll probably see that video in April, and I know, like, that's a long time to drag it out, but you will see other random things too, because I like to share hauls on here. So, yeah. You'll probably see little party things here and there. And with my chronic illness, it's going to take me 3 months to get stuff done. So, yeah. So you'll see stuff throughout vlogs, and then I'll do a big party prep. But I need to clean my room, finish my laundry, and do some other random stuff. If my body would wake up a little bit more, I might get some stuff done.
Okay, I did manage to fit in a leg workout this day. I'm trying to get back on my workout routine. I think that's going to be in another video where I try and reset my routine, but I did manage to get a quick leg workout in this day.
Okay, so it is later. I have done my workout. I have done my makeup. I think you can tell. Yeah. And this is hilarious because this is the second time I've done makeup this week and this never happens. But we are going to a steakhouse tonight called Cattleman's. I think my brother's been, but I haven't been, so yeah, but that's what he wanted to do for his birthday, so that's what we're doing. I've still got to get my jeans on and my boots on. Then I'll show you the outfit, but yeah, and I pulled back my hair with like a clip because I don't know, it's driving me nuts lately and I don't feel like curling it or anything, so I just heard my brother pull in, so I need to get changed.
Okay, so this is the outfit I'm wearing for my brother's birthday dinner. My little green utility jacket. I call them riding boots, but they're not riding boots. And I don't remember where I got the boots from. I've had them forever, so I'm sorry. But we ended up, like I said, we went to Cattleman's Roadhouse. It's a steakhouse. And I did sneak a picture of my brother. So, yep, happy 26th birthday, Max.
Okay, so it is 9 o'clock. I'm ready to take off my makeup and go to bed. I came home and changed back into my sweatpants because my jeans were digging into my stomach so bad. But, yeah, and I put my sweatshirt back on. We did litter boxes, and yeah, I'm ready to call it a day. So, yep, I'm gonna go take off my makeup, probably climb into bed, and kind of go from there. So, yep, I'm also gonna call this a vlog. I've been vlogging since Saturday, so yeah, it's long enough, and I need a video to go up tomorrow, so I think this might be it. I was originally going to film something else, but because of the snowstorm, that didn't happen, so yep. But, so you will see, so I'm going to edit this video tomorrow, and you will see it in the same day, so yep. But that's going to be it for this week in my life. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, let me know by either giving this video a comment or like letting me know in the comments. Also, let me know what videos you want to see in January. I know January's pretty much halfway through, but I am planning on doing getting back into like a routine video because yeah. So, yep. But other than that, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.